We talked about the niche, we talked about the service, now let's talk about the offer. Is this course gonna have a lot of singing by me in it? Hopefully not. All right, let's go how to create compelling offers. Let's go for it. So your offer that you're going to create needs to be easy to understand. It needs to be a no-brainer offer. That's what we call it, which is it needs to be so valuable they can't say no. Let's go through some examples, right? But first, let's talk about what a no-brainer offer is. What is a no-brainer offer? A no-brainer offer reduces a client's risk so much that they have no other option but to say yes. And it doesn't have to be a crazy offer. You can keep it super simple. This is what you pay. This is what you get. That's how you got to think about it. This is what you're paying. This is what you're getting. Here's an example. $1,000 for 8 meetings per month. And if meetings are not booked, then we'll work for free till we get 8 meetings. Or $1,000 for 8 meetings per month. And if meetings are not booked, we'll refund you. Which I prefer the refund over the working for free. Here are some more examples for a bunch of these niches that we just talked about. So let's hand you the no-brainer offers. Facebook ads. Manage ads for 30 days. If no ROI, we'll refund our fee. ROI means return on investment, meaning if they don't make money from your ads, you'll refund the fee. You're not refunding the money you spent on ads, but you'll refund the management fee. That's the least you can do. Newsletter copywriting. Let me write 3 newsletters for you for 50% commission. If you get no sales, there's no payment. No risk to you. Lead generation for outbound. Let me book 10 meetings for you in 4 weeks, or I'll give you your money back. See how much you want to buy when I say that, right? Imagine saying that to somebody. It's a no-brainer to go. You want to book 10 meetings in 4 weeks for your money back? Sure, here's $2K. You're going to give it back, right? That's the only problem, and we'll talk about that in a second, the risk or the believability of your sales. That comes later in this course, but right now let's get the offer down. Website design. Let me do the wireframes only. If you don't like where it's headed, we'll give you the money back. We'll cut it. We'll cut the project. More examples for more niches. Here we go. Because I know you didn't pick one of those 4. Let's see. Hopefully you didn't pick one of those 4. They're very saturated. Facebook ads is very saturated, but it doesn't really matter. Mobile app development. Let me do the wireframes for the app, and if you don't like where it's headed, you'll get your money back. Easy. Backend development. Let me do a 2-hour tech review, and we can end the contract after that if you don't see the value. If you do see the value, of course, let's keep working together. Branding. Let's just do the mood board, and if you don't like where it's headed, we'll refund. Start with the mood board. Search engine optimization. Let us do an in-depth review of your site, not like what everybody else gives you for free. And if you don't like what's in this report, we'll refund it. You can have it for free. No-brainer offers. Now, you might be thinking, what am I, selling wireframes? I thought we were mobile app development. Why are we just selling wireframes? When are we going to design and build this app? Well, let me introduce you to a concept we call service stacks. I'm in a good mood today. I can tell this is going to be a good module. Service stacks. Once you sell them on the no-brainer, you can move them through a service stack. That is a ladder of related services that they can buy. Here is where the agency starts making you that $10,000 a month, even though you're starting with maybe a $2,000 project. Check this out. For web design, you're going to start by selling those wireframes like we talked about. Then level 2, once they're ready to launch, after they buy the wireframes, now they move to level 2 launch, which is now they're buying web design, branding, and web development. You deliver those. Now they move to level 3, which is once you've succeeded in that, now they buy SEO, newsletters, PPC management, social media management, blog content, all right? Now you're making $12K a month from them. Then you move on to scale, which is hosting, new offer creation, and conversion rate optimization. And this is how you take a client from a $200 client to a $200,000 client. You lead them through this ladder, this service stack. And I'll give you more examples. Is this not big? Are you not freaking out right now? All right, more examples. Here's the service stack for a lead generation agency. You start with 8 meetings in month 1. That's a no-brainer. Then, once you succeed there, now you're selling them cold email management, you're selling them LinkedIn outreach, and pay-per-click ad management. All right, you got those 3. Now, once you succeed with those, you start selling them everything else. SEO, newsletter writing, new website, social media management, blog content. Once you succeed there, now it's outsourced sales and closing, new offer creation, conversion rate optimization. Now they're a $100,000 client, $200,000 client. So you start small, you grow large. Here's for copywriting. I think this is the last example on this. You start with the first 3 newsletters for that 50% commission. You succeed there. Now you're doing monthly newsletters, autoresponders, and product descriptions. Now, once that's done, you move to level 3, which is now you're doing the same kind of stuff. SEO, PPC, new website, social media, blog content. Then after that works, more stuff, product development, new offer creation, and conversion rate optimization. Do not worry if you don't know how to fulfill these. You're not doing the work, you're doing the sales. And we'll talk about how to fulfill later. So that is how you turn a $200 client into a $200,000 client. Service stacks. Why do these all look similar? You might be wondering, how come they all end in pretty much the same spot? New offer creation, conversion rate optimization are on level 3 of all of them, are on level 4 of all of them, level 3 early days. You see the SEO there, you see the new website and branding for both lead gen and copywriting. Why is that? Why is that the case? Why do these look similar? Well, it's because you are not a graphic designer. You are not a web development person. All right, I'll tell you what you are in 1 second. So, internalize this. I help clients make more money by doing my service. For instance, I help clients make more money by booking meetings using cold email. I help clients make more money by sending newsletters that convert. I help clients make more money by building world-class websites. I help clients make more money by creating rock-solid Facebook ads. You are not a designer. You make your clients more money. You're not a web developer. You make your clients more money. You're not a story coach. You make your clients more money. Internalize that. You don't sell soft skills. All right? Now, once that's internalized and it's reframed in your mind that you're not in the development business, you're in the money business, you're not in the logo design business, you're in the making money business. After that's internalized, after you've thought about that, we'll move into pricing and what to charge for your service.